Welcome to the Rupee Rakshak news of 3rd November 2023. Let us start with the headlines from around the world. The US Central Bank's Federal Market Open Committee on Wednesday voted to keep the all-important federal funds rate steady at a target range of 5.25% to 5.5%. Although Chairman Jerome Powell flagged that the process of bringing inflation back down to policymakers' 2% objective has a long way to go. So as a result, the US 10-year bond dropped 27 basis points to 1-month low at 4.7%, the largest single-day fall in 7 months. And the global equity markets picked up the cue and reacted positively. Nifty 50 ended the week at 0.45% gain, while Nikkei 225 up by 4%, Nasdaq up by 3.8%, Dow by 1.48%, and DAX by 2.75%. Let's look at the Indian equity market for the week. The recent Nifty 50 candle shows uncertainty within last week's range, and this indicates a lack of direction in the market. Despite this, there was a small 86-point raise in the week, suggesting a slightly positive trend in the market and also an optimistic mood. In the coming week, Nifty finds support at 18,860 level. This was a previously significant swing high. A crucial point for Nifty lies below this level, while the formation of an inside candle backed by strong support suggests potential market stability. In midcaps this week, Nifty midcap surged by 610 points, representing a 1.58% increase. This compared to a 5.78% decline last week, followed by a slight recovery of 1.58%. Midcap next week, midcap small inside candle suggests a possible period of market uncertainty or consolidation, and there is a resistance at 39,600 and support at 37,700, indicating that the market is displaying a range-bound trading pattern. Looking at the Rupee Rakshak baskets market cap wise, the best performers are the best small cap stocks back in the reckoning at 2.85% gain, followed by mid and small stocks at 0.88%, and the gold ETF up by 0.82%. Among the top 3 sectors in Nifty equity sector performance are Nifty Realty up by a stellar 9.78% this week, led by stocks like DLF and Oberoi Realty, all at multi-year highs, in fact 10-year highs, some of these stocks. Nifty PSU up by 6.31% and Nifty Media up by 5.19%. The bottom 3 sectors in Nifty are Nifty IT up by 1.18% and Nifty Metals by 0.8% and Nifty Auto almost flat. A clear reversal of trends from last week to now, with the bottom 3 sectors also showing positive performance. The top 3 sector baskets from Rupee Rakshak baskets are Best PSU banks up by 4%, Best Realty mimicking respective index at 3.46%, and Best of Media stocks up by 1.41%. The bottom 3 stocks, on the other hand, the Best Metal stocks down by almost 1%, Best Oil and Gas down by 0.9%, and the Best Private Banks down by 0.75%. The top 3 thematic baskets from Rupee Rakshak baskets are Birla Group stocks up by 3.67%, Best India Defense up by 2.51%, and Best Commodity stocks up by 1.55%. On the other hand, the bottom thematic baskets are the Mahindra Group stocks down by 2.66%, the MNCs down by 0.73%, and the best dividend paying stocks down by 0.45%. Let's look at the bond markets now. India's 10-year G-Sec yield closed at 7.358%, down slightly by 0.008 basis points for the week. And in the commodity markets, oil stabilizes at $85 per barrel as Fed signals a pause in the rate hikes, while increased US oil inventory offsets earlier gains. Coming to gold, gold dips at $1,985 per ounce as Fed Chair Powell's uncertain stance on future policy tightening impacts the precious metals value. Further on the bond markets, the yield on US 10-year GSEC reached 5% last week before closing at 4.791%. The top 3 government bonds from Rupee Rakshak this week are 3 bonds from Government of India. These are the GSECs with a yield of 7.33% and a coupon rate ranging from 7.41% to 7.54% and 8.3%. The top 3 state government guaranteed bonds are the one from Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited with a coupon rate of 10.55% and UP Power Corporation 2 bonds, one with 10.15% coupon rate and the other one at 9.75% coupon rate. And all these state government guaranteed bonds have a yield well above 9%, making them a very attractive investment proposition. In the mutual fund updates for the week, Kotak's Alternative Assets Arm raises $120 million for an equity fund, while HDFC MF raises stake by 2% in Sula Vineyards, a total holding now standing at 8.56%. And SEBI suggests a new high-risk category for mutual funds to protect small investors from risky strategies. In the advisory mutual fund baskets for men, Rupee Rakshak brings you baskets to create a startup fund for yourself or to retire in 10 or 20 years. Further, you can save for your dream car, a dream vacation, or your dream home with Rupee Rakshak mutual fund baskets. For women, similar baskets for dream car, dream vacation, or dream home, or retirement in 20 years, and self-reliant women basket. For your kids, save for kids' marriage or kids' education, or for their own startup fund in the future with Rupee Rakshak mutual fund baskets for kids. Rupee Rakshak brings you a mutual fund basket for every need, be it an emergency money or planned annual expenses, or if you want to just gift your grandchildren. In the property market updates this week, Reliance's Jio World Plaza, a 7.5 lakh square foot retail and entertainment hub, opened this week in Mumbai. And coming to Bengaluru, luxury home sales costing over rupees 1.5 crore, up by 142% in the first 9 months of this year, with people queuing to buy luxury homes in Bangalore. LIC Housing Finance posts net profit of 1,191.86 crores in the second quarter of this financial year. Trident Realty launches premium independent floors in Panchkula to invest 700 crores in the project.